Hello, dear fellow foodies. Welcome to the ingredient channel. In this episode, I'm introducing a special and nutritious ingredient, the Chinese Nagaimo Yam, ShanYao in Chinese, and how to turn it into this delicious dish in just a few simple steps. First, let's rewind back to the store. This is the Great Wall Chinese Market near me. In addition to being rich in dietary fiber, the Chinese Nagaimo Yam is a good source of vitamin K, iron, calcium, copper, and magnesium. Alert though, some people have a mild allergic reaction to handling Nagaimo. The oxalates in its skin can cause irritation in some people. To be safe, please wear gloves. Remove the dirty ends from both sides. Cut into several segments to fit into my steamer. Steam the nagaimo for 20 minutes or until it's soft enough to poke through. By the way, yes, it's the Chinese Nagaimo Yam is kind of like a brother or sisters to the Japanese version. Peel the skin. After the nagaimo gets fully cooked, it is safe to handle with bare hands. Then cut the yam into 1-inch long blocks. Set aside for use later. Two and a half pounds of pig's trotters, blanched in cold water. One tablespoon of cooking wine. Bring to a boil and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse and drain the trotters. In a heated pan, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of rock candy, medium heat to melt the candy. And add in the trotters. Stir fry a few times until the sugar or the caramel is all around the trotters. Ginger root, about 6 slices, garlic, about 5 cloves, 2 dried bay leaves, 1 bulb of scallion, 1 star anise, and a few cloves. keep flipping and mixing. Dried red chili pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Stir and flip for a few more times. At this point, the fragrance is so strong in your kitchen and already open your taste buds, at least mine. Switch off the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then transfer the trotters to an instant pot. Add boiling water to cover the trotters. Pressure cook for 40 minutes. Then transfer the trotters back to the pan after it's well cooked. Pick out the spices because at this point the soup is very flavorful already. If you don't have an instant pot, then feel free to leave the trotters in the pan. Just simmer it for however long until the trotter become very soft. Now add the nagaimo back in. 2 teaspoons of salt. Bring to a boil and keep on high heat to condense the soup until it becomes very thick. The dish is ready. Both the trotter and the nagaimo are so soft, tender, and sweet. Surprisingly, the yam is tastier after absorbing all the flavor from the trotter soup. Enjoy. I hope you liked the episode. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.